And the Great Mother said, "Come, my child, and give me all that you are."
I am not afraid of your strength and darkness, of your fear and pain.
Give me your tears. They will be my rushing rivers and roaring oceans.
Give me your rage. It will erupt into my molten volcanoes and rolling thunder.
Give me your tired spirit. I will lay it to rest in my soft meadows.
Give me your hopes and dreams. I will plant a field of sunflowers and arch rainbows in the sky.
You are not too much for me.
My arms and heart welcome your true fullness.
There is room in my world for all of you. All that you are.
I will cradle you in the boughs of my ancient redwoods,
And the valleys of my gentle rolling hills.
My soft winds will sing you lullabies.
And soothe your burdened heart.
You are not alone.
And you have never been alone.